Talk about food, meals, and eating well for host families. Goal: maintain basic conversations about eating with your host family. Useful vocabulary, food and adjectives. Part 1. Salty, salt. Tasty, smakelijk. Sweet, lekker. Cold, koud. Oily, olie-rig. Spicy, pittig. Hot, warm. Chicken, honder. Pork, vark. Beef, beers. Useful vocabulary, food and adjectives. Part 2. Goat, pork. Potatoes, aardappels. Salad, sly. Cheese, kaas. Onions, eie. Tomatoes, tamaties. Macaroni, macaroni. Fish, vis. Meat, vlees. Porridge, pap. Useful phrases, likes and dislikes. Part 1. I do not like, ek hou nie van. I like, ek hou van. I do not eat, ek eet nie. I eat sometimes. Ek eet soms. This is tasty. Hierdie is smakelijk. This is salty. Hierdie is sout. This is cold. Hierdie is koud. This is hot. Hierdie is warm. Useful phrases, likes and dislikes. Part 2. This is sweet. Hierdie is soet. Please give me. Gee my asseblief. You cooked very well. Jy kook baie lekker. Can I taste? Kan ek proe? It smells delicious. Dit ruik heerlik. Do you eat? Eet jy? Do you like? Hou jy van? I'm thirsty. Ek is dors. Useful phrases, likes and dislikes. Part 3. I like your cooking. Ek hou van jou kook. No thanks, I'm full. Nee dankie, ek is vol. The food is, die kos is. I enjoyed ek het geniet. I like green fruits. Ek hou van groen vrugte. I do not like red vegetables. Ek hou nie van rooi groente nie. Thank you. Dankie.